over how to enable, disable, edit, and delete user accounts within NSX. Now this is something we've already seen us go over a couple different times in previous videos, but let's go ahead and focus in on this again. From the vSphere web client, click on Networking and Security, and click on NSX Managers underneath Networking and Security Inventory. Select the NSX Manager, click on Manage and Users. Now you're going to notice that to enable and disable certain users, there's some that you're going to be able to enable and some that you're not going to be able to enable. Now you're going to notice here that the default CLI user, which is the admin, you cannot make any changes to. So if we go ahead and hit the edit button, you see the only thing we can change on it is the email and the full name that we have given to it. We can't disable it and we cannot delete it. The other user that we have is we have the administrator user account that we can edit. So if we go ahead and select that user and click the edit button, you're going to see here that we can change the role that we've assigned to that user. But my recommendation is always leave that as the enterprise administrator. Now to disable that user, you simply select the user you want to disable and then go to the disable button. So it's going to be the circle with the line going through it. You simply disable it, and let me go ahead and do it on the test NSX user. And you'll see here that now the status has changed from enabled, like it was previously, to now disabled. To enable it, you simply select the same user and hit the green check mark to go ahead and enable it. Now, editing these users is very simple. Simply select the user and click the pencil button for edit. Change the role that you want to assign to that user, and at this point in time there is no way to generate custom roles within NSX. You have to use one of the 4 built-in roles. So hopefully that's something they're addressing in later versions of NSX, but currently the only thing you can do is select one of these 4 roles. So change the permission, and then also if you want to limit the scope, you can do that here. Now this is where you can assign certain users to vCenter inventory objects and what they can and cannot access. And finally, if you want to delete a user, you simply select the user, hit the red X for delete. It'll ask you to confirm you want to delete that user, which we do. We hit yes, and now it's been deleted.